Well, it's a few minutes to 12, December 31, 2010, and I have retreated to the rear bedroom in our bungalow. I have plugged up my ears with these wax earplugs. The noise has been building up since 4 o'clock today, gradually more and more bang bangs. Firecrackers. I do not like firecrackers. They irritate my nervous system. So, I don't go outside. We can have a look outside in a minute at the sights in the sky. This is what makes it more interesting, is people do have interesting fireworks, such as things that go up in the air and have colour. So let's see what we can find outside. There, lots of smoke over there. And in the distance, the pretty lights. Isn't it wonderful? That's enough.